Okay, let's do a vertical shrink now. We have the parent function f of x equals x plus 2. And then we want to graph h of x, which is 1/4 of f of x. So notice that the a is on the outside. Y equals a of f of x is on the outside. So when we see a on the outside, it's vertical. When it's inside the parentheses, it's horizontal. Now that a is 1/4, and that's a fraction, a proper fraction between 0 and 1. So that means it is a shrink. Keep in mind the horizontal and the vertical are opposite of each other. And then the factor for a vertical is just going to be a, so the factor is a. Okay, so let's graph the parent function x plus 2. My b is 2, so that's 2 on the y-axis. My slope is the invisible 1, so rise 1, run 1 right, rise 1, run 1 right, or fall 1, run 1 left, fall 1, run 1 left. And you have the parent function. And we call him f of x. Now the h of x, we're going to use a little t-chart here, and we got x. And remember, f of x is another way of writing y. It's just the function notation for the y. And I have here, let's start with this -2. The -2 domain gets a 0 range. That's -2, 0 ordered pair. And then I can use this 0 one. 0 is going up 2, and then I could use this 2 one with 4. You choose your own domains, and since 1/4 is involved, I just chose some even numbers here. Now, for the 1/4 f of x, it means I'm taking this f of x and I'm dividing them by 4. Multiplying by 1/4 is the same thing as dividing by 4. So here I've got 1/4 of this f of x, which is 0. And 0 divided by 4 is 0. I have 1/4 multiplied by this 2 over 1. 2 over 1, 1 over 2 is 2. 4 times 1 is 1, so I have 1/2. And then I have this 1/4 of 4, or 4 over 1, which is 4 over 4, which is 1. So the ordered pairs that I will graph will be this one and this one, -2, 0, and 0, 1/2, and 2, 1. So let's graph those. -2, 0 here, 0, 1/2. Okay, so 0, 1/2 would just be right about here, and then 2, 1, right about here. So this is the h of x. And he's a vertical shrink with factor 1/4.